Good morning, everybody. Today's another wonderful Monday for everyone here. First day of the week for these guys working. Got lots going on. Hope y'all didn't miss me too much. I had fun on a motorcycle ride. So, you can see behind me, got some form going on, some digging, and it looks like they're about to pour something. So let's go take a look. Alright, and here's some forming. So, we're going to form all the way up to the bottom of the next set of tie beams, which is going to be for the second floor. Like this one is complete, and that one's complete. So I guess they're going to be pouring these today. At some point, all that dirt will end up over in this area to level out everything. And we also have a lot of dirt in other places that needs to be leveled out. Alright, so being told this isn't actually all the way up to the top of where the next section is going to be. They're going to be a little bit short because the weight of the cement, when they mix it up and they pour it in the box, it starts bulging down on the bottom. Since we're using wood with everything, we're not using like C-purlings and stuff to hold everything together, which is, you know, the metal stuff that doesn't give out so much.
So we're gonna stick it that way, like here. So we're just gonna bend.
Okay. Alright, some entertainment for everyone. Our wonderful farm animals. Actually pretty chilled today. I guess the mixer and the guys ain't making much noise, but we do have wonderful weather today. Estelle says it's just going to sprinkle. It looks like to me it's going to really rain, but it's coming from one side. It might miss us, it might not. Alright, I hope y'all enjoy this wonderful video. We're trying something different. We bought one of those new GoPro 11s. So, the video is going to be a little different, and the audio is going to be different. Lots of sand and gravel being moved today for the mix later on. Pour later on, I should say. Alright, it is a wonderful afternoon now. A little overcast, a little bit of rain earlier. But you guys have gotten pretty much everything, all the forming done. They said they wanted to get 5 and they're going to pour. Well, they are working on the 5th one right here. So I'm not sure if they're going to pour it today because they're going to run out of time to pour all 5 of them. So I guess I'm a little wrong. They didn't wait. They actually poured the 4 already. And this one will be later on. Probably today after they get done with break. So break's almost time for a break here shortly. But you can see right here They're starting to dig the next footer. And the last one will be right where we're forming it. And I got this section set up already. You can see for the tie beams. So these are getting ready. They got to just form the boxes on them. I don't know. I said tried to explain a little bit to me why the foreman did it this way instead of not completely straight all the way through, and they poured it on top for a different connection. And here comes the fun part. The guys are backfilling again. Well, they moved all that dirt over into the other lot, and well, now it's time to move it all back. Alright, and the dowels are being made right now. Out of the 10mm rebar. Alright everybody, good morning to this wonderful second part of this video. Today is Tuesday, October 4th. And we got quite a bit going on again. You can see behind me, they're pulling off all the forms. They're setting up some more forms. Some digging going on. And the dowels are being cut and bent. So let's go to see what is going on for today. Alright, so we're still working on this footing from yesterday. Digging it out. And our wonderful dowels actually got quite a bit right there underneath. Looks like the whole stack that he has right there is all for dowels. It's quite a bit. Alright, and these guys got the forms somewhat set up for this neighbor's wall. See, right now they're plumbing it up and making sure everything is straight. Alright, and here is a look at our wonderful column. They're actually going back, and we just put some cement on here because when they pulled it off, they had some issues with sticking because of the rebar in here. So some of the cement came off a little bit. Alright, so I got the total of these 5 columns done yesterday. I still saying a little bit of issues with some of these dowels right here. They should be over more because she's going to put the door right here flush with this column. So she wanted to have the cement, the hollow blocks for this space right here. Yeah. I don't know how they're gonna change it. I don't think they can. So we'll figure out how it's gonna go. All right, we have some reusable stuff from our fencing. So we're taking the poles with the heavy concrete. Oh! We're taking the poles behind the heavy concrete on them and the fencing. So we got 3 more poles to go in there. More recycling. All the forms from before. So time to redo all these forms. Taking them apart, pulling the nails out, then rebend the nails out, reuse the nails, and reuse the wood.
Foreman, one of the subscriber is asking what is the size of the tie beam.
Tie beam is 20 by 40 centimeter.
20 cm by 40 centimeter. Okay.
Alright, it is afternoon. Oh, there's a lot going on. Got some pouring going on. Some wonderful beams. Some finishing. For the forming. And look at there. Piping's done. For this wall. Second to the last footer's almost dug out. Not completely yet, but it's getting there. Okay, I pulled everybody to do the mixing and the pouring. Alright, we still got more buckles being made. I think we'll be seeing that for next month. Maybe more than that. But got piles and piles. And today, it is absolutely scorching hot. We got some dark clouds, but it is really hot right now. Out that way, it is black clouds. It's going to rain at some point. Hopefully not right now, or anytime soon. Alright, that's about it for today. It's about to rain, so I'm trying to hurry up. Right over here, there's some black clouds coming, like I said before. And they're rolling in pretty quick, but I'm trying to get out of here so I can stay dry. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. We'll see you guys later on, and goodbye.